TFNN. Headline News Update. Here's Tom O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. We had the Dow Industrials close down 99. NASDAQ was flat. S&P's down 8.5. And, we're looking at the market, folks. That looks like a calm market. Well, intraday out here, you had some big action from highs to lows. If we look at the S&P, you had a high out here today of 27.55. You had a low of 27.14. So, bottom line is you're talking about 41 point inside the S&P. If we go to the Dow Industrials, you're going to see the same type of setup. Inside the Dow, you had a low out here of 25,193 and a high of 25,511. Inside the composite, same setup in the composite. Blink and the market's up or down. Low of 71.82, a high of 73.19. Now, that being said, let's go take a look at these volumes out here. What we have inside the Dow Industrials, 771 million. That's really light volume. This is pretty cool. You're going to get a bounce out of this. Inside the NASDAQ composite, 2.3. Oh, it's going into 2.6. But the bottom line, the composite does have some sellers in it. We look at the three Qs, the NDX 100. That pushed into the lows. And you did 62 million shares. That is pushing into 111 million. The top of the gap that's trying to get filled is 166.03. And guess what, folks? You filled it, 166. That's saying that the good old NDX 100 also can get a bounce. Now, oil. Oil got toasted, roasted, all the above. We are going to be basically not spending a huge amount of money from our paychecks each and every week inside the gasoline market. You had crude oil down 8.2%. You heard it right, 8.2% of $4.96. You're trading at $54. Oil looks to me like, folks, we were looking at $54, but guess what? You came down to 54, and you did over 1 million contracts. That's setting up a 42 oil barrel. Unleaded gas, down 10.5 pennies, 6.5%. Yeah, unleaded gas right now is at 153. That thing is looking for a 127. So you're talking about some big numbers. Just the opposite, natural gas. Natural gas went up 7.3%. You get big numbers out here. Has volume behind the move. There's the yin and the yang of it. Stay right there, folks. You got a lot of numbers that coming out after the close. We have the Dow Industrials traded down 100. NASDAQ was flat. S&P's down 7. Coming right back with some numbers for you, folks.